Alright, congratulations for actually landing on my page. In the next couple of minutes, I will be taking you step by step on how to design two print portal frame structure using Design Aids and SAP 2000 Passport 21. But before I proceed, let me first introduce myself to you. I am right here in front of you and I am Engineer Semiu Olawuniwale. I have served for over 6 years as a graduate civil engineer at BAMTech Global Investment Limited, a consulting building and structural engineering firm located at Gbemu Junction, Gbemu, Osogbo, Osun State. In 2018, I registered SEMA Buildstock Global Limited with CAC as a limited liability company, and in 2020, I founded SEMA Buildstock Institute, a subsidiary of SEMA Buildstock Global Limited, in order to share my ideas and knowledge in civil engineering with other colleagues. Academically, I had my Higher National Diploma and Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering from Osun State College of Technology, SRK, and Kwara State University, Malete. Professionally, I have engaged in so many project designs and constructions, which involve both concrete and steel work. Among them are the Faculty of Arts building at Osun State University, Osogbo, and 1,000 capacity lecture theatre at the same university. Also, Osun State Government Secretariat Central Mosque, located at Osun State Government Secretariat, Abere, Osogbo. So the first thing to do is to estimate for the design load on the two portal frame structure. And in this class, I will be taking you step by step on how to estimate dead load and the live load on the structure using architectural drawing and PS code. After that, in the analysis stage, I will take you through simple steps to determine the column moment and the rafter moment using Design Aids and SAP 2000 software. After that, I will show you step by step on how to choose a section from BS 5950 and compare it with the section required for both column moment and the rafter moment. Next, after the design stage, is the connection designs, and I will show you step by step on how to design connections using ID Statica software. In this software, all you have to do is to choose a template, input load and moment, and calculate for the connections. In which after that, you review your report and import details drawing to DSF file, which you will be able to open with your AutoCAD. Finally, I will show you simple steps on how to detail two print portal frame structure. Aside all I've explained above, in this class, I will show you step by step on how to estimate loading manually from the architectural drawing for computer application and manual analysis and design. How to model, analyze, and design structure using SAP 2000 Passport 21. How to analyze and design structure using a Design Aids. How to design and detail foundations. How to professionally detail fabrication drawing. How to validate if computer result is okay or total nonsense. How to prepare professional reports by editing a template. How to understand the general arrangement of a steel structure. And finally, how to design connections using ID Statica software. All in high quality recording video, MS Word and DWG file in order to aid your steel designs knowledge. Please hit the next button below and you navigate to the class. Thanks you for watching and bye for now.